Picture this. A bird's egg so small it could fit on your fingertip, a postal service older than the United States, a flag like no other, a drink enjoyed worldwide with a surprising twist, and an accent with a rich history. Welcome to the enchanting island of Jamaica, where every fact is a story waiting to be told. Stick around as we uncover 5 fascinating and little-known tidbits about this beautiful Caribbean gem that will leave you awestruck and wanting more. Let's dive right into the wonders of nature with the vervain hummingbird. This tiny bird, a proud resident of Jamaica, lays the smallest bird egg in the world. Imagine an egg so minuscule it measures just 6 millimeters. That's smaller than a pea. These little eggs are a marvel, delicate and almost invisible to the naked eye. Yet from these tiny beginnings, vibrant hummingbirds emerge, flitting about with remarkable speed and grace. It's astounding how something so small can give rise to such lively creatures, buzzing around like nature's little helicopters. Now, let's travel back in time to the era of handwritten letters and horse-drawn mail coaches. Did you know that Jamaica was a trailblazer in postal services? On October 31st, 1671, Jamaica became the first British colony to establish a post office, a full 105 years before the United States had one. Gabriel Martin, the first Postmaster General, was tasked with the monumental job of managing this new service. Imagine the anticipation of waiting for a letter, each one a treasure trove of news from afar. It's like receiving a handwritten love letter in the age of instant messaging. There's something timeless and romantic about it, don't you think? Next, let's talk about flags, symbols of national pride and identity. The Jamaican flag stands out in a crowd, and not just because of its vibrant colors. It's the only national flag in the world that doesn't feature red, white, or blue. Instead, it boasts black, green, and gold. These colors aren't just for show, they carry deep meanings. Black represents the strength and creativity of the people. Gold symbolizes the natural wealth and beauty of sunlight, and green stands for the lush vegetation that blankets the island. When you see this flag flying high, it's a unique emblem of resilience and natural beauty. Here's a treat for all the chocoholics out there. Did you know that chocolate milk has a Jamaican connection? In the 1680s, an Irishman named Hans Sloane visited Jamaica and discovered the locals' way of drinking chocolate with water. Finding the taste less than appealing, he experimented by mixing it with milk, creating a delicious concoction. Sloane took this recipe back to Europe, where it became a hit and was even sold as medicine. So the next time you sip on a creamy glass of chocolate milk, remember to toast Hans Sloane and the island that inspired him. Who knew that such a beloved drink had its roots in Jamaica? Finally, let's delve into the rich tapestry of Jamaican accents. You might be surprised to find a hint of the Irish brogue in the Jamaican lilt. This unique blend traces back to the early days when Irish indentured servants and African slaves shared the island. The Irish taught the Africans English, and over time the accents melded together. So when you hear the melodic tones of Jamaican patois, you're also hearing echoes of Irish influence. It's a beautiful reminder of Jamaica's diverse heritage and the way cultures intertwine. So in this video, you have had 5 incredible facts about Jamaica that reveal the island's rich history and vibrant culture. From the tiniest bird eggs to the origins of chocolate milk, Jamaica never fails to surprise and enchant. If you enjoyed this journey through Jamaica's lesser-known stories, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing tales. And if you have any fun facts or questions about Jamaica, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.